How to change phone number in Pi Network. Follow the instruction. Open the Pi Network app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Profile from the menu. Scroll down to the phone number section. Tap on See How next to phone number verification. Wait for the verification help screen to load. Look for the option to change your phone number. Tap on Change Phone Number. Enter your new phone number in the field provided. Select the correct country code if needed. Tap Send Verification Code. Wait for the code to arrive on your new phone number. Enter the verification code in the app. Confirm the change to complete the update process. Thank you for watching.